DNA evidence is freeing innocent people from prison, but often only after they've lost decades of their lives. 30 states offer compensation, but less than half of these former prisoners are ever paid. Omar Villafranca has been looking into a case in Tennessee.
These days, Lawrence McKinney can't seem to stay still. The 60-year-old has spent enough time sitting in one place.
How long were you in prison?
31 years, 9 months, 18 days, and 12 hours.
You have it down to the hours.
Yes, sir.
A Memphis, Tennessee jury convicted McKinney of rape and burglary in 1978. The victim identified him as one of two men who attacked her in her bedroom. He was sentenced to 115 years.
What's going through your mind when you're hearing that now you're going to prison?
I still could not believe it because I thought that it was a dream or something.
In 2008, DNA testing of evidence scientifically excluded McKinney as a suspect. Prosecutors said if this evidence had been available, there would have been no prosecution.
I don't have no life. All my life was took away.
In 2009, he was released and given $75. Since then, McKinney has depended on odd jobs at his church just to pay the bills. Under Tennessee law, he could be eligible for up to $1 million compensation. But the parole board, which hears such cases, has rejected his request twice.
In an exoneration hearing, we have to have a lot of evidence, clear and convincing.
Patsy Bruce served on Tennessee's parole board for 12 years. She heard McKinney's first exoneration case.
Why wasn't the judgment by a court and a district attorney clear and convincing enough for you?
Because they didn't notice that they didn't test everything that was ordered by the original judge to be tested.
Prosecutors say the two samples not tested either had no DNA or were so degraded tests could not be performed.
Do you feel that there is a guilty man walking?
I have not been convinced he's innocent.
It's not justice for him not to receive compensation for being wrongfully imprisoned.
McKinney's lawyer, Jack Lowry, has appealed the case to Governor Bill Haslam, who has the final say.
There's been one mistake made where he was sent to prison. I trust that another one is not made that does not allow him exoneration.
The governor could make a decision at any moment. After waiting 31 years for his freedom, McKinney says he can wait a little longer. Omar Villafranca, CBS News, Lebanon, Tennessee.